Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where it's time for the third and final vlog that I'm filming today, here from Dymchurch Amusement Park. First time coming here, never been before, so looking forward to seeing what the place is like. I know they've got a junior coaster, there's a ghost train that I'm looking forward to. Always exciting to get on a new dart ride. Oh, maybe that's what we can hear in the background. And along with that as well, there's a few other different flat rides. If you haven't already, check out the two other vlogs that I've filmed today from two other free to enter amusement parks. Started off at Harbour Park, then made my way into Hastings and visited Flamingo Park as well. So yeah, it's been a busy day entering these parks, but that's what it's all about. Trying somewhere new and also sharing, of course, where you can visit in the local area, because all theme parks, fun fairs and attractions need as much support as possible. So come and join me here from Dymchurch Amusement Park. Sun's out, blue sky, yeah, it's not too bad tonight. Here we go then, so just stepped through the park gates, just thought I'd show you the rides that they've got down here. Quite a few rides for the kids, of course, down here at the entrance to the park. And yeah, it's only a small place. That's what it's all about, supporting these smaller parks. Little teacups there as well, as you can see. And there's the Big Apple coaster, and yeah, it's got some good theming on actually. Unfortunately, the rain is starting to come down a little bit, so we'll see what happens. Not done too bad with the weather though today, luckily. Yeah, there's the Caterpillar coaster over there. Lovely. Oh, there we go. The welcome the use of face masks still here as well. Good to see they've updated all of the signage. Love the logo for this place as well. Hand sanitizer, of course, as well. And here's your information about how you pay for the attraction. So yeah, disc prices. There you go. So one disc for £1.20, 5 for £5, 12 for £10, 26 for £20 or 40 for £30. So yeah, pretty good value to be fair. But bear in mind, no refunds on discs that have been purchased. So yeah, don't want to buy too many just in case the rides do close because of the rain, because obviously travelled quite a long way to do these parks down here today. But yeah, you can see there that most rides are 2 discs. So yeah, it works out about £2.40-ish for a ride. Not too bad at all, really. I think that's all right. I think we'll start off before the rain comes in, get some discs. We're going to have a ride on the Twister. Well, I tell you what, I feel like I'm in someone's back garden there with all the buildings. It just looks like someone's house, doesn't it? Here we go then, on the Twister. Yeah, literally, all the new hot dogs over there though, it's a good sign. Here we go, getting the classic funfair tunes on. Not seen this in action yet, so I don't know how quick it's going to go, but we will find out shortly, of course. Really got quite a few rides down here for the kids, of course. Really nice selection. They got the Dumbos over there, a little drop tower. There's a little teacups, chair swing. Yeah, quite a bit down here actually for quite a small space. Done quite well to fit quite a bit in. Nice slow track this one, isn't it? Can we have something a bit faster, please? We're on the Twister. Here we go, speeding up a bit now. That's what we like. I must say, nicely presented this one. Some good lighting on here. It looks good in the dark. Yeah, I just spoke with a member of staff and he seems to think that they might be open till 8 o'clock, but I think if the weather gets really bad they might not stay open till that time. So yeah, make sure that when you're buying your discs or tokens as you normally call them, you are bearing that in mind, just in case the weather does get bad. Oh, here we go, picking up the speed now. Hey, most intense ride I've been on all day, this. Woo! Oh, this is good. Oh yeah, fantastic, really good speed. Oh, brilliant. So glad that it's not been too bad with the rain today either, because it was a big risk today, especially travelling from the Midlands down south. Could have been a complete washout, these 3 vlogs, but luckily that's not been the case. Yes, I didn't get on Pinball X over in Hastings at Flamingo Park due to high winds, but that's fine. Safety does come first, as I said in that vlog yesterday. And it's not like, you know, I've never been on it before, because I did it before down, of course, in its original location at Dreamland Margate. Oh, this is really good. Nice and intense, fantastic. Oh, love it. Quite a long cycle as well. I've been going for over 2 minutes now. Fantastic, really good. Not liking the look of the black clouds coming over though. So I might get on the junior coaster next, I think. On the old Caterpillar. Oh, that was good, that was. Enjoyed that. Well, I just managed to stay dry there for my ride over on the Twister. And yeah, I thought that was good value. 2 discs. Seems weird saying discs instead of tokens, but there you go. Here's a look at them. Yeah, I do like the disc. Nicely themed up for the park as well. But yeah, I thought we'll save the ghost train, because I'm looking forward to that. Always like getting on a good ghost train. But we may as well get on the little Caterpillar coaster here. I need the credit. I've got to ride it. So I may as well go on here before the rain comes down. Here we go. It wouldn't be a nice Caterpillar coaster, Big Apple, whatever you want to call them. with that nice push out of the station. Oh, ghost train looks quite good over there. Don't know how long it's going to be or anything, but oh, it goes upstairs, look. Oh, I'm looking forward to that. Always nice getting on a new dark ride. On the back row of this one. Through the actual apple itself. Yeah, normally on these, you have like a massive apple, but this one's just got a small apple. There you go. It literally feels like I'm in someone's back garden. Like, look at that, the positioning of it. Like, there are people's houses over there, just looking out over the park. Yeah. Little drop tower looks quite good there as well for the kids. Shooting star. Indoor play area. And blimey, I think, are we stalled? We're going a bit slow here. Oh my, I think we're stalled. Surely it's not, is it the wind? It's not supposed to go this slow, surely. Oh my God. This is like the worse than the one that I went on to start the day earlier on at Harbour Park. That was really, really slow. And then this one, I think's topped it. I don't think we're going to need this trim brake down here, do you? Oh, blimey. I thought I was up here for the night then. Ocean Inn, nice little pub round there. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. I think we'll get on there next, the ghost train. Little pirate boat ride down there as well. Dodgems. Here we go. Oh my God, it's still actually trimming as well. I don't think it needed to trim. That is crazy. This is a slow one, this. I think it's actually worse than the one at Harbour Park. I mean, I know that I'm not really the target audience for these sort of rides, and they are aimed for kids, but blimey, it's slow. I don't think I've ever been on a Caterpillar so slow. Look at it. Let's see how we get on when we come off the lift hill this time. Really slow. It's a tiny little place, but they've made use of the space bar. They've packed a lot in. Quite a lot of different rides and good value as well. Love the Twister lighting on there. I think it looks great. Yeah, literally, I feel like this was once someone's back garden. Worth pointing out that you can only actually pay for your ride discs there at the booth using cash. So yeah, there is a charge cash machine there, or there's a Tesco Express, literally 2-minute walk outside to the left. Get yourself to Tesco Express and you can use the free cash machine just there. So that's what I did. Oh my God, this is terrible. It's nicely painted up, but blimey, it's slow. But we'll get on the ghost train. I've got good hope for this. The fact it's got an outdoor section there and on the left, it's got good length to it. Always love getting on a new ghost train. Looking forward to that. Here we go. Way out and into the trim brakes. Wow, I must say, I know it's a junior coaster, yeah, and I'm 28 years old. They're not really built for adults, but yeah, that was pretty terrible. Oh, that bar straight up. Here we go then, the moment that I've been waiting for, and the main reason for coming down here to Dymchurch Amusement Park is to come and ride this, the ghost train. Ride if you dare. Love a good ghost train here at Theme Park Worldwide. And this one looks really interesting because, like I say, it's got the outdoor section on that side and also over here on the left as well. So yeah, I can already see some B&M bargains steaming. I think we're in for a good one with this. Is it going to be really bad? Is it going to be just okay? We're in for a treat. Oh, it's got the little drop over there as well down the back. Here you go, B&M bargains at Halloween. So let's head round this way and let's go and have a ride. Oh, if you don't like clowns, look away now. He's a bit creepy over there, isn't he? I'm sat here waiting to go. And honestly, this thing looks good. Like, I can hear some screams coming from inside. Got the big clown just up there. Here on the door as well. And we've got this guy who looks terrified. I think he's quite scared of clowns, don't you? There you go, nice bit of theming up here. Got some props. I tell you what though, just watching these doors open and the train comes flying down. Like, honestly, I think this thing's more of a coaster than a ghost train. Here we go. Be afraid. Be very afraid. Up we go. Quite a nice effect there. Don't forget to scream. Well, people definitely have been screaming. Road to Doom. Oh God, I love it. Honestly, I wouldn't change what I do. Coming to places like this, not knowing what to expect sometimes. Here we go. Oh, here we go. This is the big drop, I think. Whee! Oh my God! Oh my God! That was crazy. This is like a coaster. I'm pretty sure this is a coaster credit. I mean, I know some people do class ghost trains, but this one, oh! There's a twisted bit of track there as well. Oh, blimey. This is really good. Like, this is decent. Best ride I've been on all day. Oh. What the hell was that at the end? Oh my God, that was good. I love that. Oh. I'm not too sure what's just happened in there, or what the hell that was at the end, or what most things were in there, to be honest. But you know what? That was really good. Like, that's the best ride I've been on all day. Love a good ghost train. And it was good to get on there. Something a bit different, not knowing what to expect as well. And yeah, there's some tacky and cheap theming in there, but that's what makes it, isn't it? The layout was quite good, nice and action-packed. And like I say, I'm pretty sure that's a coaster credit with how fast that was going. It goes quicker than the Big Apple coaster over there. But no, that was brilliant. Like, I'm going to have another go on there, like without the camera, just to take it all in a bit more, because there's so much going on. Like, you've got scenes absolutely everywhere. Great ride, worth coming down here just to experience that. So it's always good to get on a new ghost train. And for me, coming to a park like this, as much as I like to pick up the coaster credit, it's more for me about getting on a dark ride that I've not done before. And this ghost train was worth the trip down here. Look at it, really enjoyed it. Look how quick it goes. Like, absolutely brilliant that was. I'm going to go straight back round and have another go, and then go on the Dodgems, I think. Here we go then, on the Dodgems. After a second awesome ride on the ghost train. Honestly, I love that. I'd say it's probably one of my favourite ghost trains in the country. I really enjoyed it. Like, it was great. So much better than I was expecting. Yeah, I'm on the Dodgems now. Mine seems to be making a funny noise. Can you hear it? It's going jud 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 jud. It's got some nice LED lighting underneath each Dodgem car though. But yeah, I think I'm in a faulty one here. Can you hear that? It's not sounding good. Oh. Oh dear. Yeah, it's got like a judder to it. I think they need to get maintenance to have a look at this. Oh. There we go. Still, it works. We're going round, one way round, no head-on bumping. Oh, let's get her. There we go. My third Dodgems of the day. It's proper thumping. I wonder if everybody else is doing it or just mine. Oh. Hey. Got a right thump on it. But yeah, I've got 2 tokens left, so it's either I do the Dumbos or go on the drop tower. I think I'll go for the drop tower if I'm not too big. Oh my God, this is really struggling. Listen to that. It's like a proper rough car ride, this now. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Ah. It goes better backwards. There we go. Actually goes faster if you send it into reverse. I've had a really good day today. Always nice visiting some different amusement parks. Here we go. Oh, straight into the back of number 18. Hey. Honestly, he goes quicker backwards. Yeah. That's strange. Yeah, always good to come somewhere for the first time as well. Like I say, never been here before. And the ghost train was really good. Really enjoyed that. B&M bargains at Halloween, everybody. I'm sure I get that quote in every vlog where I go on a ghost train with loads of cheap theming. But it was cheap theming done well, that one. I enjoyed it. Well, that'll do for the Dodgems, I think. All we're getting is jud 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 jud. Yeah, you're going to give the drop tower a go, I think. Whoa! One way round, please. No head on bumping. Here we go then, straight over from the Dodgems. Yeah, quite a long cycle on there, but shame about the judder. Onto my final ride that I'm doing down here, and that's the Jumping Star just here. Certainly looks the part, doesn't it? It's got over-the-shoulder restraints and everything, but yeah, it's another 2-disc ride, so I may as well use my final 2 discs to ride it. So yeah, let's go and have a go. I'll take you on with the GoPro. Here we go then, final ride down here at Dymchurch Amusement Park. Up we go for a nice aerial view across the park, or someone's back garden, as I like to say. Here we go on the drop tower. Don't know how forceful it's going to be. Got a bit of a hole at the top though. Some nice views, the Twister. Whoa! There we go. Oh blimey, that's intense. Not at all. No, just a nice tame family drop tower. I had the 2 token spares. I thought, may as well come on, get an aerial view. But literally, I'm sure they were like 2 terrace houses there, and then they've literally like turned the back garden into an amusement park. That's kind of how it feels down here. Dodgems just over there, of course, and the Dumbo off to the right. and all the little rides down at the front. But yeah, only a small little place, but loads of pretty fairground lights. That's the thing with parks like this, they always look good, you know, as the sun's going down. Not like there's really been any sun today, but you know what I mean. And of course the family coaster, there's a +1 credit onto the list today. So yeah, quite pleased with that, but the highlight's been the ghost train, to be honest. Really enjoyed that. But yeah, I've just seen a really nice fish and chip shop as well. When I went to Tesco to the cash machine, found a nice chip shop, so I'm going to get a nice fish and chips, I think, to wrap up today. And like I say, tomorrow going to be filming 2 more vlogs, visiting somewhere for the first time, Old MacDonald's Farm, and also then heading back to Adventure Island in Southend-on-Sea. So stay tuned for both of those vlogs. They'll be coming across the next couple of days here on Theme Park Worldwide. Always nice to get somewhere different though, isn't it? Whee! Well, look at this weather now. Honestly, earlier on I thought it was going to be a complete washout. Like I say, this trip was a bit of a risk anyway. I was thinking, oh, you know, the parks might close because of the bad weather. But you know what? I've managed to do all 3 amusement parks that I've wanted to do today. And of course, ending the day at Dymchurch Amusement Park. Done a few rides there. The ghost train was definitely the highlight. Really, really enjoyed the ghost train. Thought it was fantastic. Yes, it's got a lot of cheap and tacky theming in there. But you might be thinking, hang on a minute, why do you think it's so good? But I just thought the ride system itself was great, and just all combined together to make a really good fun classic ghost train. You got to think, you know, these classic ghost trains aren't supposed to be anything spectacular, but I thought it was really good fun, a few nice scary moments and sound effects, and yeah, overall it was just an enjoyable ride. But yeah, in terms of the rest of the park there, Twister's good fun, a few other nice family rides. Dodgems could do with a bit of work doing to them, I think. But yeah, it was certainly good to visit somewhere for the first time. I've had that on my bucket list for a while in this country. It's just a bit out the way to get to, because normally if I'm coming down this way, it's to go, and of course, to Folkestone and get the Eurotunnel. So of course, made the effort to come down here, see it today, give them some support, and got on a brand new dart ride that I've not done before, you know, so that was always good fun to do when you go and visit somewhere for the first time. Like I say, all these parks really need as much support as possible, so really get out there and find your local parks and look back through all the vlogs on the channel, and you'll find different places where you can go and enjoy and explore, and it's always good fun when you visit somewhere for the first time. And talking of that, that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow in the next vlog on the channel. So I'm going to be visiting Old MacDonald's Farm. There's a coaster crate to get, there's a few other small rides, and of course an animal park as well. So yeah, Charlotte's not going to be very happy that I'm visiting this one without her. I'm then going to be making my way to Southend-on-Sea for an annual trip, of course, to Adventure Island. So stay tuned for that here on Theme Park Worldwide. But yeah, I think I'm just going to go and find this chip shop just somewhere back down that way. Don't know why I'm walking this way. The chip shop's in that direction, but there you go. When I get talking, you know what I'm like, I can just ramble on for a long time, can't I? But there you go. Thank you so much for joining me for another little mini series of vlogs over the past 3 days. Of course, visiting 3 different seaside amusement parks, and that leaves me one final thing to say: get out there and keep on riding. I'll see you tomorrow at Old MacDonald's Farm.